Good morning everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to our Zumba activity with Hatawera Zumba ladies. We are ladies in pink today, guys. Bigyan niyo na po kami, guys. Model time with Ate Josie. Happy lang ang mga nanay today. Good morning everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Samahan niyo kami, guys, sa aming activity today. Today is our Zumba day. Come and join us, guys, para ma-exercise po tayo at magpapawis. Our Zumba is officially started, guys, at dahil medyo maambon-ambon kanina, kaya siguro kunti lang ang umaten. So, let's start, guys, at nandito na rin ang aming coach. Samahan niyo po kami. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam, guys, at pinagpapawisan na ako. Uminom muna tayo, guys, at pinagpapawisan na tayo para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Kailangan talaga may baon tayo lagi na tubig. Masarap po sa pakiramdam, guys, na makapagsumba ka man lang kahit once a week. Much better kung twice or thrice a week, guys. Ang iba namin mga kasama, guys, almost everyday sila nagsusumba. Fast forward, guys. Almost done our Zumba today. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Shout out sa lahat ng aking mga supporters, followers, subscribers, and silent viewers. Thank you all so much, guys. Salamat po talaga na hindi nyo ko iniwanan. Bagko sinusuportahan. God bless everyone, guys. Thank you so much. Sana hindi kayo magsawa na panoorin ang lahat ng aking mga videos. At pakitapos na lang po, guys. And please don't skip the ads, guys. And mag-iwan na lang po kayo, guys, ng bakas or comment para mabalikan ko rin po kayo, guys. Sa mga kapwa ko content creators dyan, support each other lang po tayo, guys. At sinisikap ko rin po, guys, na mababalikan ko rin po kayo, guys. Again, thank you all so much. Bye-bye. Till my next video, guys. Please like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless.